Hello and welcome to the University of North Texas Metalsmithing and Jewelry Program's short video series. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use your jeweler saw to cut and pierce metal. First, you want to be sure to have the right size saw blade for the thickness of metal you are cutting. Measure your metal with a B&S gauge. In this case, we will be using 20 gauge copper sheet. Consult this chart to determine the correct size saw blade. Typically, the thickness of metal should equal around 3 teeth on the saw blade. The saw blade needs appropriate tension in the saw frame, so keep pressure on the saw frame while inserting the saw blade, making sure the teeth are pointing away from you and towards the handle. Lightly wax the blade to improve sawing. Before beginning to saw, precisely scribe your design into the metal, or you can glue a paper pattern onto your metal. Just in case your saw blade breaks, always be sure to wear safety glasses and keep your hand safely away from the cutting area. For beginners, sawing will feel awkward at first, but you will get the hang of it quickly. It just takes practice. To begin sawing, have your metal flat on your bench pin and keep the saw frame vertical. Be relaxed and let the tool do the work. Don't ever force it. Follow your scribed line consistently on one side of the line. This improves accuracy and reduces how much filing will need to be done later. Most designs will require piercing the metal to saw out an interior section. The saw blade can be inserted through a drilled hole in order to do this. Before drilling, center punch the exact location of the hole to be drilled. Keep the punch perpendicular to the metal and lightly tap it with a hammer, or use a spring-loaded automatic center punch. Be sure the drill bit is larger than the saw blade being used. Either a drill press or a flex shaft can be used to drill the hole. Be sure to lubricate the drill bit, securely hold the metal, and apply slight pressure while drilling perpendicular to the metal. To begin piercing, insert the saw blade through the hole, clamping with tension in the saw frame. Lightly lubricate the blade and begin sawing as before. If you have a sharp corner in your design, continue the saw moving up and down in place, but without trying to move forward. Slowly turn the metal. Begin sawing forward again as the design requires. And that completes our basic introduction to sawing and drilling. We hope this helps make your experiences safe and productive.